This is welcome to Vietnam, I'd say. I think this is a classic experience. One of the big things to do here is get a bike and go ride around the town. You start getting out of the city center a little bit, it gets a lot less busy and hectic, so you don't feel stressed. It's pretty leisurely and chill. What? Hey, you want to ride? Yeah, I want to ride. Yeah. He's asking if I want to ride the ox. I am definitely taking him up on that. Look at this big thing. I don't think I've ever seen one of these before. So he's gonna ask me to do a ride for 50, so I'm gonna do it. I think it's fair. Yeah. Yeah. I've never ridden an ox before. I've ridden many animals, but never this.
Right. Right.
He takes me in a little circle.
Right. No, right. Right, sir. No, right, sir.
Nice.
No, right.
Nice. Look at this big old beast. This is Butte, isn't he? Alright. The whole experience was 50. No, it's pretty cool. He gives you the hat, he gives you the ride. It's very worth it. Thank you. I think you're awesome. He's got a good friend. Is he hot? Come on. Now we're gonna say bye to our friend and go for a ride. You're gonna love this. This is some drone footage I took flying over to some of the coconut fields and rice fields here in Hoi An. And it's really, really pretty. Now we're getting into the beach touristy area. Ban Thong Ong Bong Beach. The ride was a nice leisurely hour. It wasn't too hard, flat the whole way. When you walk onto the beach from the road, immediately you're in this, I don't know how else to describe it except for like a resorty little club area where you can pay it to sit on these loungers, store your stuff in a locker, get a shower towel. It's not a bad service. This is a pretty spot, and it's a great spot to fly a drone. You can get some really pretty beach footage. It's not like the most amazing tropical beaches you've ever seen, but it's not bad. Have a look at this one for a little bit. After you leave the beach, you can head south and ride these more quieter roads and head to the lighthouse, which can be a really location. You don't necessarily get to go up there. It's not a tourist attraction. It is a functional lighthouse, but it is still nice to see. A lovely ride down to the end of this peninsula. I think picking up a bike and riding from Hoi An down is definitely a worthwhile activity. Now, after sitting for a little bit, kind of catching our breath, getting some water at the cafe that was right there, it's time to head back. End up on some of these busier roads, you can admire the local wildlife. Because now I'm back on the rice fields. Oh, look at all the pretty birds. All along these rice fields, you can come across places like this. They're just these nice little cafes. This one's called Roving Chill House. And oh, would you look at this place? Just fancy. Some decent view. I got myself a very fancy looking drink. That was a bougie little place. Wasn't bad though. Had some really delicious food, nice atmosphere. Kind of just chill and look at the rice fields. Say, this is a very fantastic way to spend your day. Thanks for hanging out with me, guys. Appreciate your family. Love you. And we'll see you next time. Bye.